Hello everyone, this is my review of the Nature's Garden Trail Mix. This one here is the Heart Healthy Mix. This blend has a blend of cranberries, walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts, and pitas. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you can see the contents inside. It has a good amount of nuts in there to satisfy you and fulfill you, and they're delicious. It's a delicious combination together. When you take them out and pop them out, it has a nice taste to it, and I enjoy this blend, so I highly recommend this product, and I hope this review helps.